Clear muscle is powered by one single ingredient, free acid HMB, also known as mTOR. It works in two key ways to promote muscle growth, strength increases, and improved recovery time. Now let's take a closer look at how it works in the body. Once it enters your muscle cell, it activates a muscle building process called the mTOR pathway. This universal pathway is how your muscle builds itself up. Normally, when you push yourself in the gym, your body releases signals through the UPP pathway that tell your muscle to break down harder muscle tissue to be used as energy. But supplementing with free acid HMB helps to inhibit this from happening. So in short, HMB activates muscle building pathways while at the same time shutting down muscle breakdown pathways. It's a 1-2 combination for building more muscle and improving recovery time. The benefits of taking Clear Muscle are perfect for the elite athlete, bodybuilder, and weekend warrior to the general fitness enthusiast. Get yours today.